really tell you guys what happened, but I went to go swap out the wheels and tires, and stupid me, I never checked the bolt pattern. So in my defense, my last Jeep was this same body style, same everything, except it had the smaller motor, and it had the same style of wheels on there. So I messed up. I mean, that's what it came down to, but the bolt pattern was off. It's a 5 by 4.5 on this Jeep, but on the newer Jeeps, it's a 5 by 5.5. So I ended up getting a set of wheel spacers that are 1 1/4 inch, and they're also an adapter. So I got those coming. They were only like 70 bucks. They'll look super good on this Jeep, but I felt super dumb when I tried to put them on. Anyway, so I got a set of those coming, and I'll keep you guys updated as I put them on and everything, and show you the transformation. I just felt super dumb. So I said, at least these wheels and tires aren't bad, and I can keep running them. But yeah, that would have really sucked if they were like totally shot and I can't drive on them anymore. Or if it was starting to snow, I'd be even more SOL. I'll catch up with you guys once I get the wheel spacers in. Not only was I dumb and try to put the wrong wheels on, I also forgot to take this off once I put my other wheels back on. I got probably 4 or 5 miles down the road. I felt so dumb. I pulled off to the side of the road. I was like, there's no way in hell that it's actually still there, and it was. I was so surprised. I was not expecting that at all. I just felt like an absolute idiot. What's up, guys? So this is round 2 of me trying to replace these stupid wheels. I finally got the adapter. They're right in here. So I finally got the wheel spacers. They were actually really cheap. So these were only 65 bucks. I was super surprised. They seem like super high quality. They come with all the nuts and everything that you need. And they set it out about 1 1/4 inch out from where it was, which is a little more than I was hoping for, but it's not that bad. So we will go ahead and set these on there. So these are the new wheels. They're just stock JK wheels, but these ones are darker than most of them. Most of them are just a silver, and these ones are like a really, like almost a gunmetal gray. I don't know how much the camera's gonna pick it up, but I really like the way that these look. They have a lot more presence than that. And you know, they have a lot more tread on them. They're better looking, and they just, I think they'll really update the look of this Jeep. So here we go. So next thing I'm gonna do is just slap these on. They should go on fairly simple. There's the first one on. In my opinion, I think the fitment is like perfect. It just sits out just a tiny bit. Honestly, it's less than these were. These had a lot more poke. And this just sits super flush. Almost looks like a stock fitment. And I still have to crank the wheel just to make sure that it doesn't rub. These wheel spacers are actually super nice. I really like them. They're, you know, they feel super high quality. They come with all the hardware that you need. They're hub centric, which is cool. Now on to the rest of them, and then we'll be finished. Those look 1,000 times better. I really like those. Yeah, and they don't sit out near as far, which means it'll probably get less dirty because it won't have as much shit flinging up on the side of it. So here is the setup I got going on. The wheel spacers are hub centric. They look super clean. I mean, I know they're hidden, but you can just tell they're super high quality. I really like these wheel spacers, just, you know, how easy they are, and just they are super high quality. I haven't taken them on the freeway or anything, but I can just tell they're machined well. They're just, everything's a super snug fit and just fits really nice. One little trick, because this is an automatic, I put it into park when I was doing the front brakes, and then I also put it in 4-wheel drive, so that way it ends up locking them. Alrighty, so I'm finally done. It took me a lot longer than I was hoping. Just putting the wheels and spacers on, it's like basically putting on 2 sets of wheels, so it took me a little longer than I was hoping, but they turned out pretty awesome. Here is the end result. They are still actually pretty dirty, but it just modernizes the whole Jeep. Tucks those tires in a lot more. This one is really flat. As you can see, I just need to throw some air in there. They've been sitting for a couple years, so they're just a little low. But I'm gonna go top off all these with some air, and then hopefully I can head out of here in a little bit. So one of the reasons that I'm here at the shop isn't only just to switch out the wheels. I had to come meet a transport driver. We sold this car. It is going to Florida, so I just have to be here to meet with him, go over any damage if there is any, and then send him on his way with his check. So I'll give you guys a cold startup of that here in just a second, and then I'm gonna top these off and get going for the day. Here she is. She's about to get loaded. The guy has to unload that car first, and then he'll load up the Ferrari. Do those look good or what? I think they look pretty damn good. I am super happy with the way that they turned out. They look a lot better than the other ones. They just kind of modernize the whole vehicle and make it look, you know, nice. It makes it look nice again. The other ones just looked so outdated and just, I don't know. I just had a really big issue with them. Hey guys, this is insane. So there's no wobble in the steering wheel. There is like almost no road noise at all. Like honestly, the only noise that I'm really hearing is the wind catching up here. But oh my god, just changing out these wheels and tires made a world of difference in road noise. This new wheel setup is actually pretty awesome. Like, it is dead quiet. That makes such a big difference just in the road noise and everything. And oh my gosh, I'm actually blown away at like how big of a difference it made. I knew it would make some difference, but it made a huge difference just in the ride quality, the way that it sounds. It's like whisper quiet. This is freaking cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video.